How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add devices to your OpenRGB application. Basically, it's really necessary to open the application as administrator if this is your first time doing it or if you haven't done it before. Basically, this way, it will allow the OpenRGB application to install some additional drivers, so it would be a lot easier for OpenRGB to pair up with your devices. So in here, you just want to right click on it, click on the show more options button, and then select the run as administrator from there. Basically, this will allow OpenRGB to install some necessary drivers, and in that way, we will be able to pair with our other devices on our computer. So it's as simple as clicking the rescan devices option, and from there, it will scan every supported device on your setup, and you will be able to see that all right here. But the most important step is going to be running the OpenRGB as an administrator in order to install that necessary drivers that I was talking about. Basically, that's all you have to do. Just click on the rescan devices after installing some additional drivers. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.